because they have presided over a project where 34 people died. But also, it's not only about crimes against humanity. It's also about, the things that Mabutu Seseko used to be richer than Congo. Those are the extent of corruption, of parasitic stealing of state resources. So that is why our submission in Parliament, let us make sure we strengthen institutions of the continent, so that we are not judged all the time by the West. We don't take our people to Western courts, Western-dominated courts. And that's the thing we dispute about the ICC, is that it only prosecutes Africans. You've got George Bush, who went into Iraq claiming that there are weapons of mass destruction, together with Blair. No one is holding accountable. Obama and Zuma collided to kill, Gaddafi in Libya, and all the migrants that keep dying in the Mediterranean is as a result of the instability that NATO, where Zuma voted for the killing of Gaddafi, happened. They are directly responsible for that particular instability in that part of the continent. So that's why we think that there has to be an accelerated pace, as it were, to strengthen the continent's institutions of justice, so that we are able to hold everybody in the continent who is engaged in crimes against humanity, including al-Bashir.
Let's take a corner.